brushing at the wrong time could harm your teeth. Hello, everyone! Ever wondered when's the best time to brush your teeth for a sparkling smile? Let's dive in. Experts say brushing twice daily, morning and night, is key. But timing matters. Brushing right after waking up clears overnight bacteria and plaque, freshening your breath before breakfast. Waiting 30 to 60 minutes after eating, especially acidic foods like citrus or soda, protects enamel from erosion. As acid softens it temporarily, nighttime brushing before bed is crucial to remove the day's food, plaque, and bacteria, preventing cavities while you sleep. Some dentists suggest brushing after dinner, then flossing before bed for extra protection. Brushing too soon after acidic drinks or vomiting can wear down enamel, so rinse with water and wait. Soft, bristled brushes and fluoride toothpaste maximize benefits. A 2024 study from the American Dental Association found 70% of people brush at suboptimal times, risking enamel damage. Netizens on X share tips. I brush post-coffee, but waiting helps. For kids, brushing after breakfast and before bed builds healthy habits. Got braces? Brush after every meal to avoid trapped food. Consistency beats timing, so stick to a routine. When do you brush? Comment below. Like and subscribe. Thank you all.